My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Okay, so today I'm going to be attempting something that I have never done before, but something I've been wanting to do. So the plan is to transform this plain like storage bench that I got from Amazon into a Glam Tufted bench. So this is 1-inch foam that I got from Amazon. Now what I've done so far is I've just measured the length and width of the storage bench, and I'm going to be cutting that out of the foam. And I actually this is 1 inch thick. I want to use 2 inches. I don't think there's going to be enough with just this one piece. So I placed an order for another one from Amazon, but it's not going to be here for like a week and a half. So what I did was I got this from Walmart, and this is just a foam mattress topper. So I'll be using both of these. So yeah, I'm going to cut it and we will go from there. Let's try that. I'm gonna try that. Now, all right, the top already has some button tufting, so I'm just going to measure how far apart they are. So about 8 inches, let's say. All right, so first I'm going to attach the foam to the top cover. And I'm going to use this Elmer's Craft Bond spray adhesive. I love this stuff. Alright, and I'm just going to do the same thing with the second layer. Alright, so now I'm going to make my marks for the tufting. How far across is this again? We got 14 inches. Okay, so let's do... I don't want to go right on top of the buttons. But, alright, I'm just going to make some little marks. Alright, so now I'm going to take some scissors and just cut some holes where I made those marks. realized that I wasn't filming and I was working on the project. So I ended up taking off the second layer of foam, so I just have 1-inch layer of foam, and then where the holes are, I am using my staple gun and stapling it to the top. And some of them I need to put 2. Okay, so now since I bought these, I'm gonna try and use them, but you can also just glue on regular gems if you have those. So I'm going to press that down as much as I can. I'm going to hammer it down some more. Okay, so I'm going to go do the rest of that and then I will come back. Okay, so I have all my crystals down, and yes, I am aware that my tufting is uneven. This is my first attempt at tufting, so I don't think it's too bad for my first attempt. Alright, so now I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to attach it to the inside. With the staple gun. So clearly this is more fabric than I need. So I'm going to staple it, and then I will, well, maybe I should cut off the excess fabric now. No, I'll staple it first and then I'll cut off the excess fabric. Oops. I'm out of staples. Well, let's see how it looks so far. Okay, not too shabby. I just gotta finish stapling it, but it does not look too bad. So this is the gist of what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna get some more staples and finish it, and then you guys will be able to see the finished product. So here is the storage bench completed. I think it looks really pretty, and even though it's not perfect, I think I did an okay job for my first attempt at tufting. So I don't know, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.